Algorand's EMA most certainly shows a by and large descending pattern, which is very critical. As far as Algo support floor, it really is presently 29 cents, which basically is genuinely critical. Algo fall 2.88% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand generally is buy and buy esteemed at 16 cents the 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time commonly sought clarification on some pressing issues. What all things considered is somewhat transient cost expectation for Algorand. Certainly is Algo a very wise interest in an extremely enormous manner. Algorand support and opposition levels, and so on. So Algorand in a real sense is as of now esteemed at 16 cents the 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for the following week, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time fundamentally got clarification on something. What explicitly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Algorand. Certainly is Algo an essentially wise speculation, which by and large is very huge. However, prior to jumping especially profound into the Algo specialized examination, truly let us essentially discuss the really current economic situation, market investigation over the truly last 24 hours. There explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $112,112,304,788, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The sort of all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $22,757,277,610, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%. Further appearance how Algorand's EMA in a real sense shows an especially descending pattern, which by and large is genuinely huge, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42%, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours in a kind of large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52, following a cost difference in 0.48% within a similar time span, which explicitly shows that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours, or so they basically thought. XRP the in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP in a real sense is somewhere around 1.1 and right now exchanging at 46 cents, or so they especially thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a for the most part enormous manner. These occasions in a real sense show that the market is going in a by and large descending bearing for commonly present moment, so the fundamentally complete exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $22,757,277,610, which most certainly is very huge. As of now, a very broad essentially regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52. Following a cost difference in 0.48% within a similar time period, which truly shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours in a sort of significant manner. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, exhibiting how as far as Algo support floor, it most certainly is presently 29 cents, which truly is very critical. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers truly become considerably more exceptionally dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting the Algorand support and opposition levels, and so on. So Algorand generally is buy and buy esteemed at 16 cents the 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these oftentimes generally got clarification on some things. What really is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Algorand. In a real sense is Algo and in every practical sense, wise venture, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which dealers in every practical sense become move truly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Algorand. Algorand execution. The exceptionally current Algorand cost fundamentally is 16 cents, with an exchanging volume of $27,007,542 in the and every practical cent recent hours, which truly shows that similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which merchants truly become move in every way that really matters, dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, ALGO generally is somewhere near 0.9% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $1,167,935,955 USD, which generally shows that Algorand support and opposition levels and so on. So Algorand especially is buy esteemed at 16 cents the 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and fundamentally attempt to answer these habitually most certainly clarified some things. What truly is momentary cost expectation for Algorand? Explicitly is ALGO a kind of wise interest in a truly significant manner. Algorand value examination. ALGO cost examination for the 22nd of May 2023 inside an everyday time period for the most part made sense of underneath, showing how Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how as far as ALGO support floor, it truly is currently 29 cents in a fundamentally significant manner. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index, moving fundamentally normal combination and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including certainly straightforward moving essentially normal and dramatic moving especially normal to generally break down the future development of the algorithm, which truly shows that Algorand truly is buy esteemed at 16 cents the 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will in every way that really matters walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and generally attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified some things. What for the most part is momentary cost expectation for Algorand, especially as ALGO a very wise venture, or so they most certainly thought. The Algorand most certainly has really break all its essentially upholds levels and things sort of are not looking great for the crypto market in a fundamentally significant manner. Right now, sort of bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively especially take ALGO cost beneath the critical help level of 29 cents, which truly shows that as of now, ALGO in every practical sense is somewhere near 0.9% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $1,167,935,955 USD, which in every way that really matters shows that Algorand support and opposition levels and so on. So Algorand generally is buy esteemed at 16 cents the 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for all things considered. 1 week from now and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually certainly got clarification on pressing issues. What truly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Algorand? Explicitly is